Age adjectives. A key to understanding English sentences. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we are delving into the world of adjectives, specifically the placement of age adjectives in sentences. Let's unravel this concept to enhance our skills and make our English more precise and articulate. First and foremost, what are age adjectives? These are adjectives that tell us about the age of the noun they describe. They could be referring to a brand new car, an old house, a young boy, or an ancient civilization. They play a key role in sentence construction and meaning. In English, adjectives usually appear before the noun they modify. The same goes for age adjectives. They come directly before the noun, providing context about the noun's age. For instance, we say, they live in an old house, not, they live in a house old. Now, what if we have multiple adjectives? The English language has a specific order for this scenario. Age adjectives typically come after opinion and size adjectives, but before shape, color, origin, material, and purpose adjectives. So, if we are describing a beautiful, large, old, square, brown, English, wooden, dining table, the word old, an age adjective, comes after beautiful and large, opinion and size adjectives, but before square, brown, English, wooden, and dining, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose adjectives. Let's practice this with a few examples. 1. I love my old blue jeans. Here, old is an age adjective describing the jeans, and it comes before the color adjective, blue. 2. She owns a beautiful old Victorian house. Here, beautiful is an opinion adjective and old is an age adjective which comes after beautiful, but before Victorian, an origin adjective. And that wraps up our discussion on age adjectives. I hope this video clarifies where and when to use these adjectives in your sentences. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature to you. Remember, mastery comes with practice. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning! Note: the underlined sentences are for visualization of Markdown syntax. In the actual Markdown document, they will appear as bold.